we have experimental volumetric analysis. Here we have prepared different types of which we can use it in producing fire. We can start over there. Welcome.
From the topic of volumetric analysis about titration. Here we are going to use the apparatus as follows. The apparatus used, we are going to use the burette for holding the acid. We are going to use the filter funnel in order to help us to pour inside the burette the acid. Here we are going to use the conical flask so as to mix well the titration which we are going to do. Here is the first beaker holding the sulfuric acid. The second beaker is holding the sodium hydroxide base, and here it's a pipette which is going to be used to pipette the base when conducting our experiment. Here it is the third beaker holding an indicator which is going to change the color in our experiment, which is MO indicator. I welcome the second speaker for more elaboration. We are pipetting the base.
Okay, we put the base into the conical flask. While pouring there, we see that the base is colorless, but if we put MO indicator, it turns from colorless to yellow. Let's prove. Okay, just it has been yellow. Now we are going to titrate, and if we have titrated, it moved from yellow to pink color. Now we are going to prove. Already done. We have seen that the color have changed from yellow to pink color. Thank you.
Good name?
My name is Zahid Ibrahim.
Zahid?
Ibrahim.
Zahid?
Zawadi.
Zawadi Ibrahim.
My name is Pranya Bokor.
My name is
Nyabokoro.
Yes. My name is Esther Magesa.
Esther?
Magesa.
Magesa.
My name is Rebecca Gekura.
Gekura. Rebecca?
Gekura.
Gekura.
My name is Gesona Greg.
Gesuna?
Greg.
My name is Deborah Karing.
So you're all from 3 students?
Yes.
Congratulations.
We are going to take water into a beaker. We are in Form 4. Yes. Then we take the sanitizer to the water so as to observe the invisible frame. Yeah.
Yes.
We are going to write the sanitizer. In order to prove it is invisible frame, we are going to use a sheet or paper. Yeah.
So this is called an invisible fire because what the fire produced here is not going to be seen by normal eyes. It's moving by this as he has done.
So how do you learn from this?
We can use it to prepare home heating substance for domestic and industrial uses.
Point of view, we want to make a flame with using petrol and water. We have to improve our nation's fuel. Okay, you have to do demonstration.
Petrol
and water.
This is petrol, eh?
Yes, and this is water.
So what do you want to prove?
Okay, has his brain here, he's giving out an air. That air is using to heat this fuel. As heating this fuel is coming here to the water. When it comes here to the water, it is being cooled by the water. Then it should light it so it can produce a flame. As it's doing so, it's producing this frame. This frame is suitable for different uses. If we can do this and produce many different ways, it can help our nation to making different type of gases using this petrol. This type of petrol, this small amount, it can be used to make a fuel that can be used to cook a large amount of food. So if only we can use this and invest it by using different pipes so that it can pump here, it can help our nation to improve fuel system. We want to produce source of heat without using fire, without using matches. We are matchet or other materials. So we start by using potassium permanganate. Pour the potassium permanganate here. Enough. Put little amount of water. And then put the glycerin. This glycerin, it acts like a catalyst in order to produce this frame. Please step aside a little bit because it's gonna explode. This source of heat it can be used even at home to heat our charcoal stove and other things. Instead of using matchet, we can use this potassium permanganate and glycerin to store our resources. Thank you.